Hey there, I'm going live. I'm going to switch my camera view here so you can see our new space. Here it is, Reactive Therapy and Wellness, Suite 640, the cool thing right outside the elevators. I got the lovely Brittany holding the door. She does not want to be in the video, but there she is. So this is our new suite that we are moving into on Saturday. Oh my gosh. This is, you can let the door go, I suppose. There's our front door. This is the waiting area. So we'll be moving this all in on Saturday. This is going to be our front desk area, and Brittany has already moved in. Well, she's moving in. This is our back office area. Woohoo! So we still have a little dust, and we're moving in our router and our amplifiers because, of course, you know we've got to have great sound system. And then check this out. Look at how gorgeous this is. So we have a series of our rooms here along the south wall. So they all have windows with a view to the south and the ocean. So we kind of have the blue room and the green room and the pink room and even another blue room here. One of these rooms is our psychology room. So you can see those there. And then all this wide open, look at how many laps we're going to be able to do in this space. You know, we all work on a lot of walking, so it's going to be wide open. These are our other private rooms as well. And then this is our treatment kitchen. This is the kitchen for our occupational therapists to work on some cooking tasks and things like that. And then this is a wide open gym area, so you'll see us having some of our treatment pieces here. And then this is, it's kind of dusty. This is our sport court floor. So it's a little bit softer and it'll be really nice for our classes and our gym equipment. I'm going to take you over here because every time I come here, I love to look at the view out the window here. So to the west, we got the ocean, and then we've got all the hills around us as well. So that's the view in our new space. This is our sport court. Look, we got our barn doors are back in our closet over here, which the closet is like twice the size of our current closet. Super exciting. More treatment space. And then this is our kitchen area too. So it's got a little window to the treatment area and our kitchen space for our team. There you have it. So we are moving in. This is our West LA space. We're moving in on Saturday. That's May 21st. Super excited about that. And we can't wait to welcome you all here. Thanks so much for joining me for this little live tour. I'm really excited. We did our final walkthrough today. We got our keys. So it's really happening. We're moving in. If you are one of our West LA patients, this is on the south side of our building. So it's actually up different elevators. So that's something that we're going to be directing traffic and all of that good stuff that comes with any moves and things like that. So thank you so much for supporting us, being a part of our community on this journey, and can't wait until we have a party and welcome you all here. We'll hope to see you soon. Have a great day.